Good evening. Subject Science, Unit 3, Simple Machines. This lesson is important for classes 6, 7, 8, 9 all. Simple machines, साधारण यंत्र. Main objectives are as follows. Definition of simple machines and definition of complex machine. Types, 6 types. Uses of simple machines. Logics, scientific reasons. Differences, numerical classification, explanation. As the lesson implies, simple machines, sadharan yantra, they are actually simple in structure, so they are called simple machines. Question number 1: define a simple machine with 6 types. Why is it called so? Here, so means why is simple machine called simple? The reason is as follows. See, define a simple machine. A simple machine is a device used to do our work more easily, easily, quickly, safely, or comfortably, and to change the effort direction. What happens? A simple machine is a machine which helps us to do our work more easily, quickly, comfortably, safely, and change the direction of force. That means it changes the direction of force. यसले के काम गर्छ? It helps to do our work more easily, छिटो, quickly, easily सजिलो, quickly, छिटो, safely. It makes our work safe, not dangerous, comfortably, सुविस्तापूर्वक, to change the direction of force. Direction change गर्न मन पर्छ. There are 6 types. It is called so. Called so means a simple machine is called a simple machine as it is simple in structure and function. 6 types of it are as follows. Number 1, lever, uttolak. It can be rotated freely about a fixed point called the fulcrum. Another is pulley, a circular disc which has groove or depression along the circumference. Screw, ACREW, screw. Number 4, wedge. A wedge is a sharp instrument used to cut. B number is inclined plane. Any slopy or slanting surface which is used to change the effort direction is called inclined plane. That means it is a slopy surface which is used to lift the load more easily. Another is wheel and axle. It has 2 coaxial cylinders of different diameters. Question number 1 is just like simple machine. A simple machine is different from complex machine. The combination of simple machines is the complex machine. What is the opposite of this? Complex The opposite of this is complex machine, which is complex in structure. The opposite, this antonym of this word, complex machine. Question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2 is as follows. Here, question number 2 is related to definition of some. Before this, you can write principle of the lever. State the principle of the lever. That is also important. State the principle of the lever. अर्थात् उत्तोलनको सिद्धान्त के हो, किन प्रयोग गरिन्छ, अर्थात् उत्तोलक when we use the lever, what is there, what happens while we use the lever, what is there, के हुन्छ त्यसमा, लिभरमा के हुन्छ। अब हेरौँ, state the principle of the lever. The principle of the lever states that, what does it state? States that for a frictionless lever, the total input work is equal to the total output work. Total input work equal total output. It means input equal output. Mathematically, input formula effort into effort distance, output formula load into load distance. For perfect machine, it is called so. In 3, see, define the following terms. In definition, see, first thing is a mechanical advantage. It is the ratio of the load raised to the effort applied. Number 1. B number, VR, velocity ratio. VR for velocity ratio. It is the ratio of the effort arm to the load arm. It's the ratio of the effort arm to the load arm. Another is also there, efficiency. EFFICIENCY, efficiency eta. The formula of mechanical advantage is L by E. It has no unit. It is affected by friction. VR, it is the ratio of the effort arm to the load arm. Formula VR equal ED by LD for inclined plane cosec theta or hypotenuse by perpendicular. For wheel and axle, capital R by small r. In the same way, for the pulley, it is the number of pulleys or strings used. Efficiency, actually efficiency is the ratio of output to input. That is also correct. Formula eta equal output work upon input work multiplied by 100. Or you can also write the efficiency formula as MA by VR into 100%. How can we define? The efficiency of a simple machine is the ratio of the output work to the input work multiplied by 100%. Or it is also the ratio of mechanical advantage to the velocity ratio multiplied by 100. And one thing, mechanical advantage is affected by friction. Frictionले घटाउँछ. Velocity ratio is not affected by the friction. यसमा फ्रिक्सनले असर गर्दैन. Efficiency, the word efficiency comes from the word adjective efficient. Efficient means able to do work. In the same way, other questions are also there, and I will solve other questions, definition of the questions tomorrow. This much for today.